Did you know the blue whale is the largest animal that ever lived? These gentle giants can reach lengths of over 100 feet. They can weigh as much as 200 tons, making them heavier than any dinosaur. Despite their size, they feed on tiny shrimp-like creatures called krill. They can consume up to 4 tons of krill each day. Blue whale calves are born weighing around 2.5 tons. Their heart alone can weigh as much as a small car. They can dive to depths of over 1,500 feet in search of food. Sadly, they were once hunted nearly to extinction. Conservation efforts are helping their populations recover. These magnificent creatures remind us of the ocean's wonders. Let's protect them in the oceans they call home.